Put a thumbs up in the comments if you agree with me, if you ever order from this company, and at least you know I'm honest. You won't break my soul. You won't break my soul. I'm telling everybody. What's cracking, y'all? It's your girl Jale, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing New Nancy. So they're an Amazon brand. So this will be my first wig. Actually, my second wig from Amazon, because I did do a Nadula wig a while back, but this is my second wig, and my first red wig. Like, I don't think I ever did like a red wig before, so I'm excited. So this is 13 by 4, 24 inches, 180 density, but it doesn't feels very thin. So I'm nervous about that, but it's a really cute color though. I'm loving the color though. But the hair is pretty soft and it doesn't have any odor, which I'm glad. So yeah, I might just do it straight today. I'm not gonna do any curling. So this is what it looks like inside with the clips and the band. So let's put it on. So this is like I'm a rocker. So I got too excited about installing this wig. I forgot to say things that I got excited about today. So this is where I had a hard time with trying to press and flat iron this hair to actually lay down. It was not working. I don't know what was going on with this hair. I tried to lay it down, but it just kept sticking up, and it was like this sharp little wire that was at the top of my head. I had to cut it off. I don't know why it was just sticking up. It was so hard. So that's what I was thinking was a wire. But I was really frustrated with this hair. It was not laying down. I tried everything and it just kept sticking up. So I decided to do a side part. I think that may work. but it came out okay looking. Like, still love the color, and it looks better on camera than it did and when I was doing it, when I was looking at it in the mirror. But I just wish it was a lot thicker and they sewed in the tracks a little bit easier, a little smoother. But overall, minus the frustration with this wig, I was loving the color because red is my all-time favorite color, and I was trying to make this wig work. So I was really upset with this wig. Like, I'm loving the color, don't get me wrong, the color is amazing, but I hate the quality of this wig. It's one, super thin, two, the lace is thick as I don't know what, so it's melting a little bit but barely, and then the lace part is tight, the whole thing is big, so it's like bulky, and then the way they sewn in this tracks is like sticking out where I can't lay it down. So like, this wig was not cute. I love, only thing I love is the color. The color is amazing, but everything else, not so much. And then it was giving me a hard time when I was trying to part it in the middle. That's why I switched it, because I was trying to part it in the middle and it wouldn't even let me do that. It started sticking up, and then I'm like, okay, and it wouldn't flip over, and it's like ultra thin in the front, and it does not want to, it didn't want to lay down at all. So I'm surprised it even laid down this much, and then I had to cut some pieces as it was like almost wiry that was just sticking up. I'm like, what is going on with this wig? So I love the color, that's the only thing. I love red. And then I have to keep brushing it because it's so stiff and so tangled. So I'm not like, see? It does not want to lay down for nothing. So this is a no for me. I will not be keeping this wig on for long, probably just for the night shoot. And that's it. So hope you guys enjoyed me trying to fix this wig, because did not want to cooperate with me. But hope you guys like this video, or put a thumbs up in the comments if you agree with me, if you ever ordered from this company, and at least you know I'm honest, because but I gave a thumbs up for the color. That's the only thing I give a thumbs up for, because this color is amazing and I love this color. But thank you guys so much for watching me trying to fix this wig. So I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.